Hey guys, welcome back for a tasting video of the New Zealand Trilogy Pilsner. Sorry it's been a little while, I've just been busy with work, but I did want to get this video done before Christmas. So before I show you the beer, you'll probably notice something quite a bit different to this beer opposed to the individual New Zealand Pilsners that I did with the individual hops like Motueka, Nelson, Riwaka, etc. So there it is there. So straight away you can see that it's really hazy. So I went through my recipe trying to work out why it hadn't cleared after 2 weeks in the keg. It should have been pretty much clear by now. And then I realised that I forgot to put in any Whirfloc towards the end of the boil. So yeah, instead of the New Zealand Trilogy Pilsner, I think we'll rename it to the New Zealand Trilogy Hazy Pilsner. So yeah, to me it still looks very attractive in the glass. Nice orange colour, tropical fruit orange, holding a nice little cap on the top, a little ring there. So yeah, the Trilogy Pilsner, we'll just dive into what's in it. I did that on the brew day video. So yeah, it's got 3 New Zealand hops. I've brewed this beer, or a Pilsner, with each of these hops individually, but I thought I'd throw them all together. So it's got Motueka, Nelson Sauvin and Riwaka. So it's 92% Pilsner malt, 5.2% Carahell, just for a little bit of mouthfeel, and also head retention, and hopefully a little bit of foaming, glass lacing, and then 2% acid malt as well, or sour grape. So all, yeah, that's all the malt bill. And then I use Motueka, Nelson Sauvin and Riwaka, 10 grams each at 10 minutes from the end of the boil for bitterness, so it's around 21, 22 IBUs. And then I use 40 grams each of those 3 hops as a 15-minute 80-degree hop stand. No dry hop. So yeah, 150 grams in total in a 10-litre batch, and then fermented with Novalager yeast. So it started at 1047, got down to 1006, so it's 5.4% ABV, and like I say, it's been in the keg for 2 weeks. So yeah, really looking forward to showing you the beer. So hope your prep for Christmas is going well. Well, we got 2 more days. It's Monday evening here. So yeah, we're going for a smell. So straight away, it's all about the hops. Even though I didn't dry hop, I'm getting lots of citrus, like grapefruit. It's a nice sort of tropical fruit as well. Yeah, maybe just a hint of that passion fruit as well. It smells really good, nice and juicy, fresh hop aroma, which is really a good start. Considering I haven't dry hopped it, it's yeah, it's got a lot of nice hop aroma. So looking forward to seeing how it tastes. So cheers, guys. Oh, that's good. I have, disclaimer, I have had a couple of glasses already, just in the lead up to this video, just to see how it's going. But it's got lots of that juiciness that I was picking up on the aroma coming through in the flavour. So yeah, once again, juicy citrus. It's like grapefruit pith. Yeah, nice sort of slightly sweet tropical fruit. Possibly even a bit of pineapple, a little bit of the gooseberry that will be coming through from the Nelson. So yeah, really good combo of flavours from those 3 hops all added together. Trying to cast my mind back as to how when I did the individual hops, how this sort of compares. Obviously it's got everything thrown in together. So it's really, yeah, it's really a combo or medley of what each of the three hops brings, which makes sort of total sense. That was really good. I'm really happy with how that's tasting. Whether it'll clear up is yet to be seen, but very happy with how it's tasting now. I'm not put off by the haze in it. It's just a very fine haze. Nice mouthfeel, good carbonation, nice bit of bitterness up front, and you get like that sort of slightly pithy grapefruit bitterness coming through as well. Yeah, there is definitely a little bit of sweetness there from the hops. Slight dry back end, but not too dry, considering it finished at 1006. I thought it might have been a little bit more dry, but no, it's good. It's just a good level of dryness there. Yeah, really happy with how that is turned out. It'll be interesting to see how it changes over the next few weeks. I'm going to try and hang on to it for a few more weeks and just see if it clears up. Not, like I say, I'm not overly worried, and then just see how the hops character sort of changes. I'm trying to think what are the sort of dominant hop. So yeah, it's got the Motueka. I'm definitely getting that the tropical fruit citrus from the Motueka, and then I'm getting that sort of grapefruit and sort of passion fruit from the Riwaka. Nelson's there as well, but yeah, maybe not quite to the same degree as the Motueka and Riwaka. I just watched a video from Big Banana, and I think he mentioned that often the Nelson comes through later, so the beer will change. So maybe the Nelson's in the background now, but it will sort of change and come to the forefront a little bit more. Yeah, so that's the beer there. I think I told you everything about it. I don't think I left anything off. So yeah, it's going to be a very nice little summer drinker over Christmas and New Year. Yeah, I think it will go down well. It's cooled down now, but it has been pretty hot during the day. We've been getting up to around 30 degrees. Humidity's been through the roof as well, so that hasn't been too pleasant. So yeah, this is the sort of refreshing sort of beer I want to be drinking. So this could well be the last video before Christmas, although I might try and do some quick little video on Christmas Day if I can. But if I can't, wishing you guys all the best for Christmas. Have a great time with your family and friends. Should be doing a video at least before New Year's if I can't do a Christmas one, so we'll wait until then to talk about New Year's. But yeah, have a great time, drink lots of good beer. Let me know what you think of the beer. Yeah, does it still look good? Is Hazy Pilsner actually even a style? I'm not sure it is. I can't even think if I've ever had a Hazy Pilsner. Yeah, let me know what you think. If you've got any questions, sing out. Otherwise, take care. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers, guys. Over and out.